Amidst the struggles of online learning, especially in rural areas, Little Bay Primary and Infant School in Westmoreland has been making strides. All its students are now engaged in some form of learning. So how did they do it? Krista Campbell traveled to Westmoreland to find out.
In a rural part of Westmoreland, past rocky roads and down a beaten path, is a little school battling big challenges and so far winning the war against online learning. 179 students to 9 teachers at Little Bay Primary and Infant School. Just under 60% of those students were able to access virtual classes when the pandemic hit. Now, almost 90% of them are online. Principal Karen King says the Education Ministry, several partners and sponsors helped. The staff also goes the extra mile.
They have really committed to, the task by calling the parents. Some of them even gone as far as doing house visits to set up these devices.
Online access has been made easier through a pilot satellite internet program where up to 200 persons can be connected at the same time.
So we still have teachers coming daily and they would use the internet from the school, log on from here if they're having difficulties at home to ensure that the students are reached.
But whenever it rains, the satellite internet becomes unstable. It's one of the reasons Mr. King is hoping for a full return to physical classes and hopes it will happen by January.
Uzazi Foundation gave us some furniture recently, so that somewhat helped. Rackles Foundation had refurbished some of our furniture. They're actually in the process now of improving some of our chalkboard and changing out some of our facilities, doing termite treatments.
So no face-to-face classes yet at the Little Bay Primary School in Westmoreland, but some students still come here from time to time to access the internet for online classes, and some of them are not even enrolled here.
So many kids have to leave all the way, come right to the school here just to use the internet. And the principal will give them okay, you can come and use the internet.
At Little Bay Primary,
still have about 10% of our students who we're still working with to date in terms of distribution of work and papers.
Principal King goes along for the ride, helping to take school assignments and notes to students in more hard-to-reach areas like Salmon Point.
It's hard to reach by vehicle, so we use the bike. Sometimes the bikes cannot reach where the kids are, so we do it by foot. Sometimes the rains comes, we get wet, but we still have to drop off the papers. If we can reach the child, we leave it at the police station.
Now, although the performance of some students have fallen due to the challenges of online classes, Principal King is proud of recent external exam results.
So with the recent PEP exam, we have close to more than 90% of our students receiving school of their first choices.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.